Today is day 65 of our pool construction. We had in plans to start the excavation 4 days ago, but we had a tornado at our property, and here we had a very big oak tree, and it was here on the ground after tornado. It fell and it was totally on the ground, and I saw it from my bedroom, and we were lucky that it didn't come to our direction, and we spent several days of fixing it. So here is a flat surface now, but before we had quite some mess, and other trees, other big pines were affected, and that's why we needed to cut this tree sooner, and that's why our excavation was delayed again. But tomorrow I hope they will start it finally. So we have now plan on the area, exact plan, where we have this main swimming line and recreational pool, and it's here this pool construction company, they came and they marked everything. So this area marked with yellow rope, it will be the area of the pool, and there are some sprinklers. All sprinklers will go, and this will be the entrance to the swimming pool, and here we will have the kitchen, outdoor kitchen. So here is this where we have 82 feet of main swimming line, and if we go this way, we will have a recreational pool on the left, and everything which is marked with blue line will be excavated tomorrow. And there are some sprinklers. I already took off those sprinklers. So now I'm in the area of recreational pool. I'm in the area of recreational pool, and here is ledge area, and here is a spa area, and here we will have a swim up bar. Then here we will have entry to recreational pool, and now we are in the kitchen area. So we will have grills here and kitchen, and our bar somewhere here in this area, and here will be space for a table, and here will also be some space near the kitchen. So basically it's a plan of what we have here. Everything is marked and ready for the excavation.